Speedokote Finish Network. So today we have this really nice 3 Series BMW, really nice car, lowered, nice wheels. We got a little bit of body work to do on it. We're going to go ahead, once it's all done and cleaned up, spray it with Nardo Gray, and then we're going to go ahead and put the Speedokote Production Glamour Clear over top of that. Wraps up for the BMW. We got really nice coverage out of our base coat, laid out really smooth, covered really nice. And then as always guys, with this Production Glamour Clear, dries quick, gives an extremely high gloss, and it's pretty much ready to use the next day if you want to drive the car or anything like that. Our bodywork also came out spot on with our Speedokote Surfacer Primer. We went ahead and did 3 wet coats over the whole bumper, which had more rock chips than what I could count, and it filled those imperfections really nice. We also went ahead and did it over a couple small scratches on this quarter panel. Everything came out spot on. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next job. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.